You know what he's like. From the time he could crawl, he's been different.
My father likes that painting better than the real me. I mean, think about it. Even my name. You know it's Viking tradition to call the runt of the litter a hiccup.
You came early into this world. You were such a wee thing. I feared you wouldn't make it. But your father, he never doubted. He always said you'd become the strongest of them all.
My name's Hiccup.